What's up guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. Now I wanted to try something slightly different in this video, which was to introduce some kind of more vlog styles. But let me know what you think about this. The whole purpose of this was to kind of show you a little bit more of the background stuff and something that was a little bit less rehearsed. So last weekend we had to drop the frame that we stripped down in the previous video down to the powder coater. Now he done an amazing job on this. But when I got down there was a few pleasant surprises, so have a look for yourself. I didn't have my camera with me and I've regretted it, but I did manage to capture some footage on my phone, so let me know what you think guys. So guys, I came to drop off this frame today just for some powder coating, and I was just expecting to come down here, drop it off and kind of head back home, but I've come down and as usual there's guys down here with their bikes and their cars, and I got to show you what's in this workshop here. It's just crazy. Like I always kind of speak about how, you know, people in the UK, we don't really do our hobbies too much, but then every now and then I come across like a pocket or a group of people who are just going for just living life and, you know, doing what they're passionate about. But you gotta see what's in here. This is blew me away. We'll head straight in. Wouldn't expect anything just yet, but look at that. Look at that. I was just speaking to him and he's explained everything to me about this and given me a bit of the background story. But he said this is a Chevy C10 with a side step. I think he said they originally come with a straight side panel, but this one is a side step. Now the original engine is down there in the corner. That is a straight 6. He's put a 5.7 V8 into this. He said it's a 2-speed, the same transmission the dragsters use, but he said this thing is wicked. Look at that. And that is a dream car right there. I would pick that over a new modern car any day of the week. But then look at this down here. What a beautiful bike. Look at the work he's done to that. Now I don't know much about these BSAs, all I know is they sound beautiful. And he said he's done a lot. He said this is not the original tank, like it's a custom tank. There's a lot of custom work on this bike, but absolutely beautiful. You know what, I've been bumping into this ever since I started this channel. I've been bumping into so many people who are just living life and going head on for their hobbies, and it's amazing. I always thought this was kind of more popular in America, but I seem to be bumping into so many people in the UK these days that are going for it, and I suppose that's the aim of the channel, isn't it? To find more of these people for myself. But here's the IT490 frame and a few other frames that he's also going to be doing, but plan is to come back next week and see that nice and shiny. But yeah guys, just absolutely beautiful. One more look at that. I'm going to show you underneath also. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it, but he's done a lot of work to the suspension and everything in here. Absolutely, look at them pipes. And I bet that thing sounds amazing. Absolutely wicked. So yeah guys, look at that. I better get back home anyways. He's just going to fire this up now actually. Just show me what it is. Oh yes. Look at that man. These two gentlemen here, they love these bikes. You could just tell the passion in it. These guys love, and they're doing what they love. And I just love to see that. Absolutely beautiful. You know what? He's riding this bike better than I could ride it. It's been so long since I've been on a dirt bike. I was just saying in the video, the passion in there is just, it's obvious you guys love these bikes. But that is amazing, well done, that looks beautiful. So I'm just about to head home now, but it's kind of funny because on my way down here, I was saying, I wasn't going to bother bringing the camera. I didn't bother bringing the camera because I thought, it's just going to drop off the frame and that's kind of it, it's no biggie. But I'm never going to leave without the camera again. Since we started this channel, it just seems I've been bumping into people like, it's just so many people who are so passionate about these things. Like you see those guys there, you can tell that these bikes just bring like so much happiness to them. They're retired now and that's all they do with their time, but it's just so nice to see. But we're gonna head home anyways, and I'm gonna come back next weekend and collect that bike, and I'm gonna be sure to bring the camera next weekend because they're telling me that C10 Chevy that's up there, it may be down off the car lift next weekend. We may catch it running, so I definitely want to hear that and see what that sounds like. I bet that sounds like a beast, but Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.